Hello students, I am Alisha Bhatia and I am a CELTA qualified IELTS trainer. I have also done DIPTESOL, that is Diploma in Teaching English to the Speakers of Other Languages. Those who don't know what CELTA and DIPTESOL is, these are the prerequisites for becoming an IELTS examiner. I have studied IELTS exam so deeply that now I think I can say that I know the nuances of the language as well and the exam of course. So in this video I would like to answer a question, a confusion through which a lot of my candidates have been going through, and they always come to me, their parents, they call me. So I thought that let me make a video of it so that even other people, other candidates, in the case they also are going through the same, they can also get the solution for this thing. And the question is whether to take the pen and paper IELTS or to take the CT IELTS. So this question, a lot of candidates they are confused. I won't be suggesting you that which test you have to take. You have to make your own decision, but I can guide you, I can share my experiences, and you have to decide that which one fits you the best. First we will be talking about the pen and paper IELTS. In case you are planning to take this test, so the best part is that you people are very much comfortable with your pen and paper. हम चाहे हमें पेपर आता हो ना होता हो, we just love our papers, right? We love scribbling over it. We find writing is easy. We feel like maybe our hand and brain coordination is better. There are n number of reasons what my candidates they do give me when they are advocating the pen and paper test. But another experience of mine is, and it is right also up to some extent, because we have practiced it a lot. So practice is the key. The next is that when I took my IELTS test, so my test started around 1 p.m. and I had to reach the test center by 11 a.m. and then I left the test center around 4:30. So overall the process was almost of 5+ hours, and by the time I came out of the test center, I was famishing, and literally I came back and devoured a lot of food because I was literally very hungry. You won't be getting anything over there. So I think the time duration is a bit longer, right? And listening, the way you have practiced, it would be similar. You'll be getting your headphones, you'll be listening, you'll be writing, reading, you'll be reading, marking your answers, and writing. You will be studying the question, and then writing is a bit difficult when it comes to the pen and paper test, because we need to write the introduction first. We don't know, we have to leave only one line after our introduction. Then you will be making your BP1, you need to leave one line. So in case you are not sure what kind of example you would like to give, it's very difficult to guess that how many lines you need. So here are this arrangement becomes a little messy, and अच्छी हैंड राइटिंग के मार्क्स नहीं है, मगर ख़राब हैंड राइटिंग और ख़राब प्रेजेंटेशन के मार्क्स डिडक्ट ज़रूर हो जाएंगे. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी मच केयरफुल अबाउट दिस थिंग, राइट? नाउ कमिंग टू आर CT IELTS, computer delivered IELTS, which is very much new in India, but I think in Cambridge, right, in England, it started back in 1990, right? So long time back. But here it's I think in Punjab they started last year February, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not, trust me, right? So in this one, in CT IELTS, what you need to do is that first of all there is this advantage that you can choose your test date. You don't have to wait for like इस महीने 3 ही टेस्ट होंगे और there are only 4 tests. You can choose as per your convenience. There are 3 time slots. One is from 9 to 12, the second one is from 1 to 4, and the third one is from 5 to 8. So you can choose one, you can go there, you can take your test. Another thing is, listening is kind of similar here. Now why my candidates, now some of them they are very much confident, so here I am giving a free tip to everyone. Beta, why would you like to spend so much on your IELTS coaching? I am an IELTS trainer, but still I am telling you this thing. Why would you like to waste so much of money? Note down the link. It's IELTS online test called IOT. Go there, start practicing. They have online listening and reading. They have a lot of tests over there. Keep practicing, keep doing those those listenings and readings. And in case you are getting a 6.5 in that test, so in your final exam you will be getting 7 plus 7.5 or even 8. You can get an 8 also. And in case you are getting a 5.5, you might be getting 6.5 there in your final test. And in case you are getting a 7.5 in your test, you might be getting a 9 also. So it's all about your practice. But that test is free. Some people will they will say कि मैम नहीं वो तो paid है for writing and speaking, but वो तो हम कर ही नहीं रहे हैं ना. We are just taking the listening and reading test. जुगाड़, go for it. So you can take that test, right? Practice is the better main key, and it will help you a lot. Free है, करो, जितना हो सके करो. After this, you're done with your listening. In reading, you can actually shrink also, you can reduce the size. They have put those blue light cutting screens also. Their keypad is good, selection is kind of nice. Sometimes you don't even have to write the answer, you have to drag and drop. You can copy the answer to avoid any spelling mistake, and you can paste it, right? And of course the time is going over there, and the timer is there, so you don't have to look at the clock every now and then. Another thing is, in your reading, you can actually highlight the areas, just like we underline in our pen and paper test. You can highlight in red color or yellow color. There are 2 to 3 colors, I think yellow color, yeah. So you can actually highlight the text, so it becomes easier, exactly like the way you used to underline in your pen and paper test. So this is something I would recommend you, that this is a good choice, you can do that, right? After that, coming to a writing part. अब बेटा हमें 9 तो चाहिए नहीं, ये चाहिए, writing में 9 आता भी नहीं है. So are those who are targeting 8777, those who are targeting CLB 9 or CLB 10, for them also we know that we need to write हमारी opening statement कैसी होनी चाहिए, हमारी introductory line कैसी होनी चाहिए. We know what should be our thesis statement, we know what connectors we have to use. So just put those connectors, and once you have done this thing, ये तो fill up रह गया. You already have a format. All you need to do is, you need to put your ideas in that, and you have to consciously make some complex sentences, right? What kind of examples we would like to make, we know that. So when we have everything settled, this thing is very good with your CDILs. उसमें जाके fill up से तो भरने हैं. Now we don't have to count the number of lines कि मैं इतनी lines छोड़ूँ, मैं ऐसे करूँ, मैं वैसे करूँ. You don't have to do that. So this is something very much in your favor. And then the test, in case you are starting with your test at 9 a.m, it will be done by 12 noon, and then you are free to go home. There won't be extra crowd, ये सब नहीं होगा. And during this time of pandemic, why would you like to be in so many people? Isn't it risky? थोड़े से लोग होते हैं, they will be done. So again, the ball is in your court. You have to make a decision for yourself. So think nicely. Do practice on that website, that site I have told you, IELTS online test. Apart from this, in case you are afraid of doing maps online, just type IELTS maps online on YouTube. Practice as many as you can. अगर फिर भी बैंड स्कोर नहीं आता है, अगर फिर भी सही नहीं होता है, listen to the same recording twice or thrice जब तक वो ठीक ना हो जाए. Do this exercise for 3 to 4 days. Trust me, you will get an 8 in your listening. This is a pro tip I am giving to you. Do this thing, keep reading, keep sharing. Let learning be your muse, let sharing be your muse. May God bless you. Bye bye.